everyone! This is Sarah, this is Toa, and Sky, special guest. And I'm Yuji. Today we're going to draw GeGeGe no Kitaro. You know what GeGeGe no Kitaro is?
Yeah.
He's a Japanese cartoon character. He's like a spirit monster. He's a good guy. He's missing his eyeball, and his dad is actually another eyeball sitting on top of his head, which is a bit weird, but it's very cool. He uses his hair to shoot this little stinky little needle thing, and there's so many creatures.
And
it's
he
really
has a
cool.
shirt.
It's very Japanese yokai. Yes.
And had the shirt.
So look it up. GeGeGe no Kitaro. It's a really cool character. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need? Paper.
Paper.
Pencils. You know, crayons. What do you have at home?
And pen.
Black pen, thick one. And that's it. Okay. Are you ready? Sarah,
Yeah.
come around. Are you ready? Okay. And oh, yeah, come around here. Let's do it. And let's draw this. GeGeGe no Kitaro. Okay, what you might want to do first is you might want to put a little marker up the top. This will be top of his head. We're gonna draw his big face, okay? Up the top and then down the bottom, so you know where you have to stop. Yes, and then so top, bottom, on your left. Just have like a rough circle, so it's not too wide or too short, like that. So you know where to stop, right? So you're not gonna go out of proportion, okay? And you might want to put a little marker where it tells you where his front fringe. He's got like a little fringe, like his hair on the forehead. Just a little one dot. So it's gonna. Okay. There you go. Okay. And okay, maybe that's good enough. Okay. So we're gonna start off his hair, and he's got like a little 3 hair sticking out on the top. So you might want to draw 1. That's like his 2. And 3. That's like a little his sort of unique hairstyle on top. Like he shoots this little like a needle looking hair to the monsters to beat. Okay, that's good. Okay, next what we want to do is imagine there is an imaginary circle, and you just want to draw here, which is basically his head. Just connect it to this like that. Just big one, really big one. Just a circle. It's got a really big head, doesn't it? Yes, okay. And you might want to do another one, but this is where his dad will be. His dad, aka just an eyeball. So just imagine, just skip here, and just again imagine there's a circle that continues to here, where your marker is. So something like this, like that. Very good, very good. That's alright, okay. And the next, what you might want to do is okay, you remember that little marker for his fringe? You might want to do, just start drawing the hair all the way until here. He's got like a really long fringe somewhere until here. So what you want to do is you almost want to do like a zigzag, 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 zigzag up to here. If that makes sense, yeah? So it's like a hair, another hair, another hair, and then another hair. It's like a wave. Another hair, and then it kind of goes to the different direction like this, and then eventually this will connect to this marker that we just made. Yes, that's it. And then you kind of go back again, another fringe. Now you kind of connect it back to here, which will look something like this. Yes. So now we've got his fringe, because he's covering his eye, because he's missing it. I don't know where it went. Maybe it became his dad. I'm not sure. I don't know what the story is, but okay. So instead of the next one, instead of doing the other side of his fringe, let's draw up his kind of chin line, which goes like this. Yeah. So maybe a little bit, maybe like 1.5 centimeter away. So mark it up, and then you kind of go like this. Like what you might want to draw is like curve, another curve back to here. Watch this. This will be his cheek, and then back to here. Started looking like his face now, hey? Yes. There you go. There you go. That's it. Okay, so the rest is pretty simple. Just keep drawing the other side of his hair, and then it's got like this. It's got like a long hair like that. Okay. Now the rest. Again, just a couple more zigzag kind of hair. Because his hair is pretty important, because that's like his weapon. Have you seen GeGeGe on Kitaro before?
Yes.
Yeah? What does he do? What's his...
He had the spiky hair.
Yeah, he's got like a spiky hair.
Jackets, I think. Electric.
Oh, yeah, his jacket. I remember that. It's been too long. Okay, so next, we need to draw his right eye, nose, and kind of his very unique mouth. Okay, so what you want to do is like draw a big circle, like oval circle, kind of like this.
Big.
Pretty big. Okay. I think his style is pretty unique. GeGeGe is the original cartoon artist. And then small dot. Alright. I really just love how it's not just cute, it's got like a little sort of very Japanese kind of creepiness to it. You know what I mean? Kind of like Ghibli, hey? It's like, it's not just happy. You know, it's a bit shaded in a way. And then his nose is like that. Not the prettiest nose I'd say. It's, I don't know, there's something unique about it. His GeGeGe. And then and then his mouth again. It's kind of like this. I love his style of drawing. His like not like happy, you know, Doraemon type of mouth. He's like, yeah, right. Okay, last one, the most fun part, which is his dad. His dad is, believe it or not, just an eyeball with a human body, which is probably the best part of his body. Well, not really his body, but anyway. It's basically circle, and remember the little space we've left? This is where his eyeball, well, his eye kind of could stick out, so it kind of looks like it's sitting on his head. Just make sure it's circle enough.
Uh-oh.
That's alright. And then what you have to draw is a few more circle. Trying to draw, you know, close to perfect circle. Another circle inside of eyeball, and then another circle, which is basically reflection. And I want to just make it black. Yes, and then just a little texture for the eyeballs. But he's got like a very unique kind of style. Just a few lines would be enough. And then just like a little creepiness, like a shade. And it's kind of up to you, but I love to add a little hint of his arm kind of sticking out. This could be just any hand. Make sure he has 5 fingers, even though he's not really human, but he needs to look like a human, I guess. And then like another. He loves taking bath. I remember. He's always in the bath.
Yeah.
Cool. So that looks like his dad. Cool. I think that's it, isn't it? Well, make sure you just, all the lines are connected. I don't think you need to add any more details, and that's pretty much it. It's GeGeGe no Kitaro and his dad. So, do we want to fast forward the coloring? It's pretty simple. Brown. Might want to add some shade and red eye, and just just normal sort of skin tone. That's all right. Okay, fast forward. Hi, we've done coloring. This is GeGeGe no Kitaro. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do it again?
Yay.
Okay, so for now, do you want to say bye?
Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye. GeGeGe no Kitaro.
Bye.
Kitaro.
Oh.
Kitaro. お父さん。Kitaro.